Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 70 Dodge Charger RT, and I personally love this casting because this is the art cars series. And I do have one more Dodge if I'm not wrong, but I'm not sure whether I unboxed it or not. But I personally liked this one, so let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. So it is supposed to spell something, every year it changes, it seems. So that I know, but I'm not sure what it is supposed to spell this year. Okay, let's have a closer look of this car. Okay, so the first impressions of this car, this does look really nice with this, paint job and all. So it has some paint, issues as usual. So you can see here there are some scratches on the roof, and yeah, that's little bit of tiny paint bubbles here, but so not much. More specifically, if you're keeping this car a little bit in a distance or something, this is nothing is going to be visible. So it will be attractive, because of the color scheme here. And I personally like this. This looks like a candy. So the grill is actually embossed. It is not painted on or something like that. So I personally like this one, and you can see the engine detailing also here. This looks really nice, and the interior is actually chromed out, and the windows are purple tinted, so it suits for this specific car, and more specifically the color scheme they are using for the paint job. So the wheels are actually plastic, it's not rubber or anything. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic, and the wheels are plastic, not rubber again. So but there are no details like paint, for headlights or tail lights or anything like that. But still it is a good casting, if you ask me. And if you are really a fan of more flashy or more colorful cars, and if you want to keep it in your collection, this is a good car if you ask me. It says 2024 Hot Wheels art cars. It does look really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, sorry. Okay, it doesn't roll really that well, but see, the casting is a little bit heavy, little bit compared to other castings. So I think the weight actually subdues the wheel wobble, I guess. The wheel doesn't wobble at all. It rolls really nice. All in all, this is a good casting if you ask me. It's really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.